first of all, my first reaction is what a lucky husband I am. That I have a wife na very protective sa akin na kahit na may nakita hindi magandang sinabi tungkol sa akin. Talagang she gets very upset. I guess we cannot blame her. It will not affect our working relationship with the Vice President, Secretary of Education. I think that she also, as a wife, understands how the First Lady feels when you have to sit there and listen to these attacks that are being made against your husband. But mag-uusap kami ni VP Sara, kami ni Inday Sara, mag-uusap kami na tungkol dyan. Para huwag niya masyadong dibdibin at yung hindi naman siya ng mga nagsabi tungkol sa kung ano-ano. Kaya madali naman siguro madali naman siguro plansahin lahat itong naging issue. I don't think we need to patch anything up. I think she understands, as I said, as a wife herself, she understands the sentiments of the First Lady. And our conversation will be precisely that. That I am sure you understand how she feels because alam niyo ang First Lady hindi sanay sa politika yan eh. Kami manhid na kami dyan sa mga insulto, kung ano-ano, personal na insulto, policy, lahat. Manhid. Hindi siya galing sa political family. Kaya siguro, she still has to learn na magpalampas ng konti ng mga ibang masasakit at may init at paanghang sa salita.